crispy spring rolls filled with a really tasty vegetarian filling. I love them dipped in a great big puddle of sweet chilli sauce. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now today I'm going to be making some fantastic crispy spring rolls filled with lots of lovely fresh veggies. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by making the filling. Heat a tablespoon each of sunflower oil and sesame oil in a frying pan or a wok over a medium to high heat. To the pan add 2 carrots which have been peeled and sliced into matchsticks, along with 140 grams or 5 ounces of green or white cabbage that's been sliced thinly. We're also going to add in half a red bell pepper that's been de-seeded and thinly sliced. And we'll stir fry that all together for about a minute until slightly softened. Next in goes 140 grams or 5 ounces of fresh bean sprouts, along with 2 minced cloves of garlic. We're going to toss that together and cook for a further minute.
Stir this off if you want.
Now add in 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. We're going to stir all that together and then add in tiny splashes of cornflour slurry. The slurry is made up of 2 tablespoons of cornflour mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Add that in a little splash at a time and stir it all together until the vegetable mixture is slightly sticky. You might not need all of it. Turn off the heat and transfer the vegetables to a plate or a bowl to cool. Once the vegetables have cooled, we're going to make up the spring rolls. So take a spring roll wrapper and place on the work surface with the corner pointing towards you. Place a heaped tablespoon of the vegetable mixture near the bottom corner of the spring roll wrapper. Then shape the filling into a sausage shape, so the filling will be horizontal to you. Now roll up the spring roll, tucking the outer edges in just before you finish rolling, so you've got a lovely fat cigar-shaped spring roll. Seal the edges using a splash of cold water on your fingers. Now place the filled spring roll on a plate or a tray, then repeat with the remaining spring rolls. I'm making 10 altogether. We're going to deep fry the spring rolls to cook them, so we want to heat up about 2 inches of oil in a large heavy based frying pan, or you can use a deep fat fryer. And then when the spring rolls are complete, carefully add 5 spring rolls to the pan, one at a time. We're going to need to work in about 2 batches to prevent overcrowding the pan. Cook the spring rolls for about 2 to 3 minutes, turning often until golden brown. Then transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper to soak up any excess oil. Look how lovely and crispy they are. And then serve those lovely crispy spring rolls with some sweet chilli sauce for dipping. And they're my vegetarian spring rolls. And if you like these, you're gonna love my other Chinese-inspired starters. See you next time.